Here's our 30th anniversary Defender 110. It's a 2023. It is a Defender S. Comes with wheel arch protection, air suspension, off-road pack, advanced off-road pack. You got the Expedition roof rack. Get this cool little decal here. All-terrain tires, cool white steelies, mud flaps, side steps, panoramic roof, heated seats. Got the A-frame protection right there, and then you got the front undershield as well. Oh, no front undershield, just kidding. But the A-frame protection is difficult to get right now. It's cool that it has it. So anyway, quick little walk around. Car's in its lowest state right now, so it's an axis height. It'll raise up whenever you drive, but it's just to get in easier. Also has a ladder as well. Of course, a swing out door here. Additional storage. 110 outlet here. Tow hitch as well.